In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add answer choices to your Typeform questions. Whether you're working with multiple choice, drop-down, or picture choice questions, I'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring that you can create engaging and varied forms for your audience. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need to be in the Typeform editor. From here, you want to look for the option to add new content to your form, which is conveniently labeled as plus add content. This is your gateway to all the different types of questions available. Once you click this button, you'll see a list of question types to choose from. We're specifically interested in multiple choice, drop-down, or picture choice for this guide, so go ahead and select one of those, depending on what best suits your needs. Now that you've chosen your question type, it's time to write your question prompt. Type in the question you want your respondents to answer. Once that's done, you need to add the answer options. This is quite straightforward. Just type in each answer choice, and after each one, press Enter to add it. Typeform will neatly organize these for you as selectable options for your audience. One of the great features of Typeform is its AI-powered suggestions for answer options. Look for a sparkling stars icon in the multiple choice options field. When you click on this, Typeform will provide you with smart suggestions for answers, drawing from a vast pool of data to help ensure your options are relevant and varied. If you like what you see, simply hit the Use These Choices button. If there are any choices that aren't quite right, you can easily remove them by clicking the little X that appears next to each suggestion. As you continue to refine your form, you might find that you need to reorder your answer choices. Typeform makes this really simple. You can click and hold on an option to drag and drop it into a new position. This helps keep your form organized and flowing logically, especially if you've had a last-minute idea about the order in which choices should appear. And if reordering manually sounds too slow, there's another trick. If you have a list of answer choices saved somewhere, like a spreadsheet, you can copy that list and paste it directly into the form. Typeform will automatically create individual answer options for each line, saving you a lot of time. These steps will help you create more dynamic and user-friendly forms with Typeform. Whether you're seeking finely tailored feedback or just want to make sure your audience has a seamless experience, crafting well-considered answer choices is key. Thanks for watching, and happy typeforming!